Well, as you can see, the new switch on the right does not match So as you can see, the new switch on the right does not match the old switch on the left. The plug is different. We may have to change plugs, but I'm going back to the parts store to see if I can get the correct switch. I should have taken it out and taken it to start with. I know that. I've learned that so many times, but anyway, we're headed back to the parts store. Okay, here we are. Update. No one has this particular high pressure switch. Advance, Napa, AutoZone, O'Reilly might, but I doubt it. So I went to Chevrolet. All the other places, Napa and everywhere, this switch is between $25 and $28. At Chevrolet, it is $38. So he ordered me one. It should be here tomorrow. So that puts our air conditioning repair on hold. So I am going to walk up the hill and see about getting the fuel line off of the 95 Grand Cherokee and see what it's going to take to get this repair done. I am in no way in a mood to continue working on cars today. I'm hungry. It's gotten warm. I don't like working on vehicles anyway. So my patience has expired. So I did get a video of a good tree man, a climber, on a tree a while ago. I'm going to upload it. I'll probably tie it into this update, and I'm going to go up the hill and crawl underneath the Jeep and see how much trouble it's going to be to get that fuel line off. If it's not too much trouble, I'm going to get it off and see about getting it fixed. I did purchase some new windshield wipers for this one. I will put them on today. Boy, that'll be done. Okay, let's go up the hill. Crawl under the Jeep. Who wants to help? Show of hands. Nobody, I know. Okay, we're going to crawl up underneath here and take a look at that fuel line. Need to disconnect it back here at the gas tank, and then whatever clamps are holding it in, loosen them, take them off, get it undone so that I can pull that fuel line out and take it down to the shop and work on it down at Frank's shop. And look at here. Look at all of the doodle bugs. Look at them. These things are famous in movies as monsters that trap people and eat them. Ant lions. But they are doodle bugs. They're just little doodle bugs. Pretty ferocious looking. You get one up close though. I hear the hawk. He's looking for lunch. Okay, let's get up underneath here. Yeah, I know I'm putting it off. I don't want to get underneath here. Okay, here's my problem. A mouse chewed through this fuel line right in the curve, so that compression coupling is not holding. So I bought a new repair line. I'm going to disconnect it here, and then I've got to take this line off all the way back to the fuel tank and take it into the shop so that I can cut this off and put the new one on. I bent that in the process. I don't think it's pinched. I looked for a new new or used fuel line, but I haven't been able to find one. See, I've got to get into those clamps. Hopefully the fuel line will come through there and I can get it off without too much trouble. And it connects back there. Let's see if I can show it to you. To the fuel tank. Oh, right there. There it is. To the fuel filter right there. I changed it last year, but I tell you what, there's no need. Since I'm underneath here, there is absolutely no need in replacing or repairing this fuel line without replacing that fuel filter. So I'll get a fuel filter as well and replace it, and then try to get this line out without damaging it, so that I can maybe not pinching it anymore, so I can repair it. Here's the underside of my Jeep, 95 Jeep. Not too bad for just about 400,000 miles, is it? Original muffler. Yes, it's CV joints. I've got new CV joints, put them in here a few months back. Yeah, we got some leaks, but I mean, you know, with 400,000 miles, it's not leaking that bad, really. Okay. I'm planning on getting a front and rear bumper for it. A front bumper where I put a winch on it. A rear bumper that's got a hitch, and I can mount the tire on it, and also a rack for the top. But here, there's the underside of a, there we go, the underside of a 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.2 liter V8 with just about 400,000 miles on it. The white Jeep's about to turn 300,000. Here you go, folks. A tree man. A real tree man. Going to do next. I wonder if he's going to go on up that long and top it. I've got a rope on up there. I don't know how they got that rope up there, but they got it up there. Tell you what, I can watch a good tree man all day long. tree company here over there. I wonder how much that man gets paid.